A friend taught me how to cook chicken thighs with rice. Simple and delicious recipe. First, let's start by chopping 2 onions. The onion will add that sweet caramelized flavor to our dish. In a large skillet, add a drizzle of oil and a tablespoon of butter. The combination of oil and butter helps brown the ingredients without burning, giving everything a perfect texture. When the butter melts and is hot, add the chopped onions. Let them sauté until they start to brown and release their aroma. Let's prepare the chicken. We'll need 6 chicken thighs. Season both sides with a bit of salt and black pepper to taste. It's important to season well so the chicken absorbs all the flavor. Turn the chicken to ensure it's seasoned on all sides. We'll add salt and black pepper to this side as well. Now add half a teaspoon of baking soda to the skillet along with the onions. The baking soda helps speed up the caramelization process of the onions. Once the onions are golden, add the chicken thighs to the skillet along with the onions. Add a little more salt to adjust the seasoning. Cover the skillet and let the chicken cook for about 15 minutes. The steam will help cook the chicken evenly, keeping it juicy. After the first 15 minutes, uncover the skillet, flip the chicken pieces, and let them cook for another 15 minutes, ensuring they are well browned and cooked through. After that, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside on a plate. In the same skillet, add 2 cups of rice. Stir the rice so it absorbs all the flavors from the chicken and onions left at the bottom of the pan. Now, place the chicken back into the skillet on top of the rice. In another bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of salt, some dried parsley, and 2 cups of water. This sauce will cook the rice, adding even more flavor. Pour this sauce into the skillet and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Once cooked, let the pan cool down with a towel on top. And there you have it. Our chicken with rice is ready to be served. A complete dish, made in one pan with incredible flavors. Tell me if you like this recipe. I'm sure you'll love making it at home. I always make it when I don't have much time, and my family loves it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you next time.